and we're gonna keep it no matter how many thorns we display or how underslept we stay.
So fun. Please.
Childish feelings springing up inside of me. I look to this child to keep me aware. Gotta start somewhere.
Thank you so much.
You're so fine.
Andy, can you look up? There you go. Oh, I love those boots. Can I do a fast shot on you for wire?